If you are looking to bring the world into sharp, breathtaking focus, these high-powered HD binoculars are the perfect tool for your next adventure. Whether you are tracking wildlife on a morning hike, scanning the night sky for celestial details, or catching every detail at a sporting event, these are engineered to provide clarity that standard optics simply cannot match. Designed with a focus on light intake and crisp resolution, these binoculars transform how you see the outdoors. Here's why they are a must-have for your gear bag. Superior light gathering. While the 10x magnification gets you right into the action, the standout feature is the 70mm large objective lens. This massive glass surface captures an incredible amount of light, ensuring that your views remain bright, vibrant, and clear, even during dawn, dusk, or in heavily forested areas. Pro-grade optics. Built with BAK4 prisms and FMC, fully multi-coated optics, these binoculars maximize light transmission and minimize glare and ghosting. The result is a high-contrast, color-accurate image that makes your subjects pop against the background. Rugged versatility. From bird watching and hunting to stargazing and travel, these are built to perform. The durable, ergonomic design is crafted for a steady grip, and the robust construction ensures they can handle the bumps and scrapes of an active, outdoor lifestyle. Comfortable viewing. Despite their high power, they are designed with user experience in mind. The focus wheel is smooth and precise, allowing you to snap onto your target quickly, while the eye cups provide a comfortable fit for both glasses wearers and non-wearers alike. These binoculars strike the perfect balance between power and portability. They offer the optical performance you would expect from much more expensive, bulky equipment, but in a form factor that you can comfortably take with you anywhere. If you are finally ready to stop squinting and start seeing the world in stunning, high-definition detail, you can find the best price for these high-powered HD binoculars by clicking the link below.